Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to sign into your Cookidoo account on THERMOMIX TM7. For that, you can go to the 9 dots on the left sidebar, then go to Profile and Cookidoo. You need to have Wi-Fi connection for that, and then you can click on Login or Register. If you don't have an account, you need to create it on your mobile phone or your computer on the Cookidoo website or the Cookidoo app. And then you can log in by scanning this QR code or log in manually. I'll log in manually by entering the email and password directly on the device. Let's click on login. And you can see now I'm connected to my Cookidoo account, so I can use online recipes directly on my device and synchronize it with the Cookidoo cloud. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.